Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple but satisfying spicy leek and potato soup. I'll peel and chop into even-sized cubes one medium-sized potato. I'll grab 2 leeks and chop those up. Once I've chopped them up, I'll give them a really good wash. And I'll thinly slice 1 medium-sized onion. And for some heat, I'm going to chop up 1 green chilli. I'll get 2 tablespoons of oil heated up and throw in all of my cleaned leeks. And then in goes my sliced onions. I keep the leeks and onions moving under a medium heat until they wilt down and are soft and tender. As the onions and leeks are soft, I add in 2 cloves of chopped garlic and my chilli. I'll let them cook down under a low heat for a couple of minutes before throwing in my chopped potatoes. And then I'll go in with 2 pints of veggie stock and 2 bay leaves. I'll leave to simmer under a medium heat with the lid on. Once the potatoes fall apart easily, I'll take it off the heat. Removed it from the fire and now I'll just fish out those bay leaves. And then I'll blend till smooth. Once I've finished blending, I'll season to taste before serving. Goes down a treat with chunky slices of bread. So there it is. Quick, easy, healthy and tasty spicy leek and potato soup. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.